Alright, so we had a little bit of a issue here. Coming down all the way from up there.
Can you put the parking brakes on in the truck?
Yeah. Tire's gone. Yay. We're gonna have to stop somewhere to get our tire patched up so we can have our spare tire back if we need it. But for now, I've got to go help out and get the tire off and put on the spare. And just like that, new tires are on there. So we rode the spare down a couple miles. Spares are already back under there. The spares actually have the original tires on these, and we got all 4 new ones. These are actually better and will last supposedly longer. Huge shout out to these guys here in Durango, Colorado, because without them we'd be driving on spares and that wouldn't be really comfortable. We're gonna hook up the trailer, which is over there, and we're gonna head back on the road. You guys excited for where we're heading?
Yes.
Yes.
Creepy lights.
Creepy lights.
It gave me the heebie-jeebies.
We've been seeing it since Colorado, right?
Yeah, I could see it since Colorado for miles.
For miles. And we don't know what it is. And there's like no city over there or anything.
Area 51.
Area 51.
Area 52.
Area 52.
Because we know Area 51
Area 51,
exists.
yeah, it's in Nevada, okay?
And they moved to Area 52. That's
Right.
my theory.
The aliens. Those are all the alien eyes.
The alien eye.
Yeah. So we arrived here in Moab last night at like 11, but we didn't have the RV set up till 1. That's a long story.
Craters over there.
neck on the dance floor at Chelsea's bar. I should have turned her away, but I was out of sea. I was firing, she was gasoline. But we were both sad and lonely after what death had done. But like rattlesnakes kicked across the ground. Our true loves were dead and our hearts were full of grief. I was firing, she was gasoline, good God. I was firing, she was gasoline. But we helped each other out, Lord, to ease some of the pain. Best friends and lovers most of the time. But I would go mad when she would turn mean.
Come on, Luke, do your granny twerk.
She was gasoline. Yeah, I was firing, she was gasoline.
Okay.